what happens when you're bored. Alright, so today is Friday. Vic's taking a little bit of a break, so he is not here today all day and the weekend. So he'll be back Monday. So as of right now, we have a lot of things to get done and we've had a busy day today. So we have a Lamborghini Urus today, first time client. We're doing tires, service, etc. on the vehicle. That car is done. We also have a Porsche that you guys will see later, a nice, beautiful 91 Porsche that we did a lot of repairs on. That's also, we did an amazing job on that. It had a coolant leak. It was leaking coolant and oil. It's fixed now. It's amazing. It came out perfect. You guys will see it later. Also, we have a Camaro also we're doing. Camaro is a little bit of a different story. We have a deadline to complete that car, which is 4:30. We need to finish that car, have it delivered to the customer. It was amazing. You know, the car got wrapped. We did a blackout on the car. We also did some corrections on the car. And yeah, we're doing the brake calipers as we speak right now. It's coming out good. So, and then after that, we have to detail it, get it ready. Also, we have some nice wheels on this Maserati that you guys have seen previously that Vic didn't like too much, but I think it's an amazing car. Now with the wheels and tires, I think you guys will probably think different about it because it looks really cool actually. And Sarkis is daydreaming. I don't know about what, but yeah, that's that.
Alright guys, we're standing yet again in front of an SF90. This thing is beautiful. My great friend slash client from the Bay Area actually just got this car, and as you can see, it is fully loaded, fully modified SF90. It's got a whole bunch of stuff on it. Let's explain. This car has a full satin clear bra. Originally it is a gloss black paint color. It has been satin clear bra to get that satin black look. This is one of the first satin black SF90s I've seen. Looks incredible. He has this signature red pinstriping theme going on to match his Senna, his Black Series AMG that we did recently. We also just did a Wraith for him, same client with the black and red stripes. So his entire fleet has the black and red theme. That's why those red little subtle pinstripes are on there. But as you can see, the wheels, those are the wheels that we made famous on the SF90. They look amazing, 5-star look. It's actually 3 pieces, as you can tell. It has that retro style look. It is actually two-tone black with the lip in matte black and the center in gloss black. It has chrome stainless steel bolts hardware around the wheel to get that little aggressive look. I think it looks incredible. It has Novitec suspension springs on there to settle it down, and it has the Novitec full exhaust system, which you guys saw us do many times before. It's quickly becoming the best mod for this vehicle. It has the Tektronic from Novitec as well, so no check engine light. The car drives beautifully. It's super fast. You guys saw in the last video red SF90 with the Novitec system, and that thing almost took off. The front wheels actually almost took off of the ground on launch. This thing does the same thing. They are effortlessly fast, these cars, and you could drive it every day. Super smooth. This has the racing seats inside, carbon fiber back, all of that, and it actually hugs you. The comfiest racing seat I've ever sat in is in this car right here. But man, crazy to see it. This is a hybrid. The future is here, and this car is quickly becoming a favorite for everybody. We have a lot of the Spiders coming up next. The SF90 is very big for us. So yeah, that's a beautiful SF90 spec right there. We have more coming in. Hope you guys enjoy it, and on to the next one. So yeah, right now we're in the SF90 with Novitec exhaust, but there's no sound because we're in full electric mode, and it's very slow in electric mode, guys. It could only do about 20 miles, but I'm punching it right now in electric mode, and it's not going anywhere. So I mean, it wasn't that bad, but it's definitely not like fast. So that's full electric mode. That has a Novitec exhaust. I mean, it's ridiculous that we're able to do this with this car. And then we're gonna actually switch it now, and we're gonna go into its fast mode, which is this competition mode. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Now we are on. Yeah, great timing. And then we're also gonna put power start, where we're gonna take off and it's gonna fly. So brake gas, and here we go.
Oh my god!
I'm telling you, every time I do that, it's just insane what it does. This car is no joke, guys.
Huh?
Do you understand about this car?
I know more than you about.
Okay. How many horsepower?
700, 600 something.
700 or 600?
600 something.
600 what?
I don't know.
0 to 60, how many points?
I don't know that. I don't.
Bro, you're a mechanic, you should know.
Let's say we put wheels on it.
We just put the wheels on it. George tell me we just put the wheels on it. 21 in the back, 20 in the front. Complete car, been clear brought. So we have the front spoiler, side spoilers, back spoiler, diffuser. Was matte black, we did a shiny black. Wheels, no tuning, nothing. I hate this car, so I don't want, I don't know why I can't just talk. It's a basic car, just Maserati. There's nothing crazy. Yeah. So no one is excited to talk about this car. Mano is not excited. I'm not excited. Mo is not excited, so no one want to talk about this car. It's a nice car,
It looks good now. We made it a little better.
but still, it's a Maserati.
But it doesn't look nice. I think it looks nice.
The wheels makes nice. RDB wheels.
No,
But-
overall it looks better now with the black and.
It's not about the heat. Just something. I don't know.
Love this car, man. On to the races. I love this car, man. It's amazing. I don't know how Sarkis can defend BMW over Porsche. It makes no sense. They're not comparable. You can't compare them. They're Porsche is just a different animal. This is a beautiful 91 Porsche 911 Turbo coupe, which drives very nice. Not one noise coming out of the suspension of this car. Interior is beautiful. Smells like a new car. Rides good. Power is all there. Clutch feels amazing. This is like one of a kind. This is beautiful. Now this one is probably something that if I had, I would probably have a professional detailer come to my house at least 4 times in 7 days to make sure the car is in this condition. This is one of my favorite. This and Ferrari, but I think this one, if we're gonna pick a car in the 90s, this would probably be the one. This car was in here for service. There was a coolant leak. There's an oil leak. We fixed all that. The car is good. It's been tested. So we're actually doing a test drive because of 2 things. I want to make sure everything's okay regarding temperature. No leaks. Everything's fine. And plus, it's a beautiful car. I wanted to just see how this car feels, and it's amazing. Back to the shop right now. We're going to make sure the car is okay. Top off the fluids. Check everything. Make sure everything's fine. And customer will pick this thing up sometime next week. Here we have it, you guys. Satin chrome. I actually love it. It's insane. It looks crazy with black and satin chrome contrast. Looks amazing. I like it. Came out beautiful. As you guys can see, we did the brake calipers red. We had a timeline on this car. We had to finish this thing by a certain time. Tow truck is outside. We're getting ready to get this car right now. Customer is super excited. We will see how she actually feels about the car. She's gonna message us later and tell us how she loves it. I know she's gonna love it. It's amazing. Came out perfect. Everyone loves it. ZL1 custom satin chrome. Getting on the tow truck right now. So, how was your day today?
My day?
Yeah.
Big wasn't here, so boring.
Boring. A lot of work.
Yeah, a lot of work.
Yeah.
I had Urus, I had to do the body work and some things, but another white body over there. That's the last one for this moment.
Okay, so today was insane from morning to now. It is about 5:20, 5:22. We are here for another maybe 30 minutes or so. So we're getting ready for Monday.
Monday gonna be nice.
Yeah. So
Oh, yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed the cars for today. Thank you very much. I have a haircut appointment at 6 o'clock. Mission accomplished for Friday.
Espérate.